In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the size of an image in Card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the sizing controls and how to adjust them cleanly so your image looks great on your page. Start by heading to the Card website in your browser. From the home page, open the dashboard. This takes you to the area where all your Card sites and drafts live. Once you're in, click on the project you want to edit so it opens in the builder. You'll see your page preview in the center and a panel on the side with settings for whatever element you select. Next, click directly on the image you want to resize. You should see its settings appear in the side panel, which is where we'll do all the adjustments. If you're not seeing the right controls, make sure the image element itself is selected and not a container or a different block nearby. Now switch to the Appearance tab in that panel. This is where Card groups visual controls like size, alignment, and spacing. We're focusing on the width and height sliders. Think of width as how wide the image appears within its section, and height as how tall it appears relative to its content and layout. Start by adjusting the width slider. Move it slowly and watch the preview update in real time. If your layout is narrow, a slightly smaller width often creates better balance and avoids crowding text. If your layout is wide or you're featuring a hero image, increasing the width can help it stand out. Small incremental changes tend to yield the cleanest results and make it easy to find a sweet spot. Then adjust the height slider as needed. A useful approach is to change one dimension at a time and check for distortion. If your image starts to look stretched or squashed, undo a bit of the height change and rely more on width, or vice versa. The goal is to preserve the image's natural proportions while fitting the space. Keep an eye on how the image interacts with nearby elements like headings, buttons, and spacing. You want comfortable breathing room above and below. When you're happy with the sizing, click Done. This applies your changes in the editor and lets you continue working on the rest of your page. Before you move on, take a quick look at the preview to make sure the image scale feels consistent with your overall design, and you're all set.